And Mark Kirsch has 8 minutes before we bring in the next act to move that aircraft. Remember, he has already moved the 18-wheeler by himself at a record distance this morning. This will be his second attempt. And you know that he has exerted some effort this morning. He is going to really need your encouragement as a cheering section to help him pump extra adrenaline to get the aircraft in motion, and then to keep it in motion. And Mark asked me to say one thing to the spectators. I'm going to ask you to do this, and this will pump him up. On the count of 3, Mark Kirsch would ask you to yell out, "Holy Toledo." Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Holy Toledo.
Mark Kirsch, the rest is up to you.
Holy Toledo.
Now, if you can't see him where you're at, he is crouched down. He is pivoting on his hands and the balls of his feet, using all of his body weight to be able to propel his legs and knees forward to get the initial movement of the F-16. Okay, he's asking for more encouragement from the crowd. So whistle and shout. Get rowdy if you want. He won't care. He needs the love. Show him the love.
Yeah.
Look at that, he is on the move. He has found the adrenaline thanks to Toledo, Ohio. He is sprinting. He is doing it alone. He is doing it with one manpower. He's looking at that pylon. It seems like it's 5 miles away, but he is still struggling. He is still moving forward. He still has stamina. He is alone. So here's where he needs your encouragement. Toledo, get louder than you. Help him out. Cheer him on. Get with it, your good sports and events fans. You know how to do it. He not only has a second effort, he has a third effort. He is still at it, but don't let him down now. Help him out for those last few grueling feet. I'll guarantee you the oxygen level is an all-time